Hey guys, welcome back to the next video for Anaz Motors. Today we'll be doing a DIY wheel repair. So this is the packet that we got of Trade Me. It's about $35–40. The reason we bought this is because this rims that we got has really minor curb marks, as you can see here. Overall the rims are pretty mint, but yeah, we'll be doing that ourselves. But first we'll be sending these for sandblasting, and then we'll be doing the repair after that, and then the paint process. So we'll be sending that away now, and we'll see you guys shortly once they're back. Okay guys, now we've got the wheels back from sandblasting. Let's have a look at them. Pretty good job. I'll show you the back side. You guys have it very fresh. So we'll be now getting the DIY repair kit done, and we'll show you the process for that shortly. Let's get to it.
So we've got the kit open now. There's a few items that came with it, and we'll be doing the first two steps from the instruction manual here, which is remove any rough edges or unevenness around the damaged area using the sanding file, which is this thing here. And then the step 2 is clean the damaged area with the cleaner, which is this alcohol prep pad here. So we'll get started on it.
Sand it down the wheels and use the alcohol wipes. We'll move into the next step. It says identify the amount of damage suffered in the area and check if it is necessary to use this adhesive. Now, 2 of these wheels are really bad. This is one of them here, as you can see, and this is the second one, which is the worst one. Alright, so we'll be using that adhesive and carrying on with the next instructions. So we'll mix that together and use that special over here to get it flattened out. Let's carry on.
So we've just finished applying the adhesive on the rims, as you can see here, just on the edges. According to the instructions, it says that it takes about 5 minutes to cure the adhesive, so we're just going to let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we'll probably tidy up a little bit more around the edges and then send it away for powder coating.
Okay guys, now that the adhesive has dried out, we have sanded it down again. We used a 120 grit sandpaper that we had lying around, and then we used this fine sand block that we had with it right over it. Let's have a look. It's pretty good. So it has filled in the gaps, as you can see there, and we've sanded the top part there, so it's really soft. And now these wheels will be going for powder coating, so we'll see how that turns out. Alright guys, the wheels are back from powder coating. Let's have a look at them. We got them painted purple. There's one more last thing left on these wheels, which is the stickers, and we've got them here. So let's get this put on, and the wheels are ready. Alright guys, we've got the stickers put on, and the way you identify where it goes is you find the valve. This is where the valve goes, and then the vault goes to the left spoke, and the race goes on the right spoke. There you guys have it. We'll see you guys next time.